Welcome to your Galaxy S22 Ultra, now with S Pen included. It's our fastest ever stylus, built to do things quickly and more accurately. From pieces of art to quick text smarts. From dragging, dropping and annotating, quickly editing videos or screenshotting just the bits you need. Set S Pen up as a remote, so that when you're not writing with it, you can control music playback, click through slides of a presentation, take group photos all with one gesture. Plus, we're taking handwriting detection one step further. Instantly convert your handwriting into text, even in Office documents. And you can even take notes on your locked screen, so you'll never miss an idea. With S Pen, you can do more. Galaxy S22 Ultra and S Pen from Samsung.